Donald's gone gooey fishing. Donald has been in his boat all day and still hasn't caught a single gooey fish. Say, pal, I have an idea. Maybe you can help Donald. Click here to practice, or click here. Click these arrows, or use the arrow buttons on your keyboard to move Donald's fishing line up and down. Every time you catch a gooey fish, the rainbow glows brighter. Like this. Catch a red fish and catch a blue fish and now it's your turn. Keep fishing until all of the rainbow colors are shining. Or click here to start the fishing contest. Yup, just like that. Go, pal, you did it! Click here to practice catching more fish. Or Rainbow Lake is chock full of gooey fish. Catch them to earn points and light up the matching colors in the rainbow. If you light up all of the rainbow colors, Donald will get a big fishing contest bonus. Be sure to catch these starfish to earn points while you're playing. But stay away from these pink eraser fish. Each time you catch one, the eraser fish will erase one color from your rainbow. Click the flashing green button to start the contest. Level 1. Yup, just like that. Level 2. Level 3. Hurry! The contest will be over soon. Way to go, pal! You made a rainbow. That means Donald earns 500 fishing contest bonus points. Time's up. The fishing contest is over, and the winner is Donald Duck. Aw, that was some terrific fishing, everybody. Click here to start the fishing contest again, or click here to practice fishing. Play game. Level 1. That's the way. Level 2. Level 3. The contest will be over soon. Time's up. The fishing contest is over, and the winner is Donald Duck. Aw, that was some terrific fishing, everybody. Click here to start the fishing contest again. Or click here to practice fishing.